Hello, welcome to ZISACALL video. Today I will show our new guest pager system, ZCP150. There are 10 guest pagers and 1 base charger and 1 keypad transmitter in a standard set. First, I want to show how to register guest pager's number. Pick up a pager. Before we register the pager, we need press the key 2 until you switch the keypad on the power, or the pagers can't be set. Look at the back of the pager. Press the Learn key. The pager screen will show 4 short lines. Then you can press a number on the keypad. The pager will bell or vibrate. Next one, press Learn key. Press number 2. The pager will vibrate or flash. Meanwhile, this number will show on the pager's screen. It means the registration is successfully done. This is how to set pager number.